Now listen here. Chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Trigonometry. This is our fundamental idea. Ninth and central idea. In a right angle triangle, this is 90. This is the angle. The opposite theta is what? Opposite side. Oblique means opposite side. The opposite side is what? Hypotenuse. The remaining is adjacent side. Now sin theta is what? Opposite hypotenuse. Cos theta adjacent hypotenuse. Tan theta opposite. Similarly, the cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta is what? Adjacent by opposite. The relation between trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is 1 by cosecant or cosecant 1 by sin. Cos is 1 by secant or secant is 1 by cos. Tan is what? Sin by cos or tan theta is 1 by cot. Cot theta is cos by sin theta or cot theta is what? 1 by tan. In this way, these are reciprocal. Then trigonometric identities. Cos square plus sin square or sin square plus cos is 1. From the sin square is 1 minus cos square. Cos square is 1 minus sin square. 1 plus tan square is secant square. So tan square is what? Secant square minus 1 is what? Secant square minus sin square. 1 plus cos square is cosecant square. So cos square is what? Cosecant square minus 1. Or otherwise, 1 is equal to cosecant square minus cot square. The relation between degree and radian. 2 pi radian for what? This is degree. This is called degree. The pi involved in this is called radian. One pi is what? 180. 110 is what? Cos 180 pi. 180 by pi. Then 1 degree is what? 60 minutes. Simple notation is what? 60. 1 dash. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second minute, 1 dash. This idea. This is all idea. Now first example from 4.1. Convert first solution 160 degree into radian. Radian means the answer involving pi. Am I right? Pi. Next one is what? 4 pi by pi radian into degree without pi. First one is you want to introduce pi. Next one is what? Eliminate pi. That is the concept. The first one is what? Pi involving. We told what pi. That's why put the value by. Second one, put the value by pi. Pi is already easy. The first one is 160 degree only involving. We want pi now. We want to use pi. The first solution 160 degree equal to 160 degree into pi by 180. Here pi is 180 now. 180 cancel. You want to use pi. Now cancel. How many times? 2 times 2. 8 pi. This is the pi involving now. 8 pi by 10. Pi involving that is what? Radian. What is that answer? 8 pi by 9 radian. What is this? Pi involving radian. This is the answer. First one is 1 degree involving is converted into radian. Radian involving pi. That is the answer. The second one 4 pi by this radian. Am I correct? Equal to 4 by pi. If the pi value is what? 180. Now cancel. Come on. 3 times 15. Remember 3. 30. 60. 6 times. Now multiply 144 degree. The symbol is what? 144 degree. The previous one radian. This is degree. That is the answer. This is question 2 mark percent. 2 mark percent. Important question. Listen here. Exercise 4.1 first question. Convert the following degree measure into radian measure. Radian measure means the answer is not pi by it. But 60 degree can be written as 60 into and the 1 degree is what? Pi by 180 radian. That is the formula. You want to introduce pi? You have to pay 1 degree. We have pi is 180 now 180 cancel. We get a 60 degree. Cancel, how much time? 3 times. Pi by 3 radian is the answer. Similarly, 150 also can be 150 degree can be 150 into pi by 180. 0 there cancel. 3 times 6 times 5 times. Your answer is 5 pi by 6 radian. Again 240 degree also can be 240 into pi by 180. 0 there cancel. 6 times 3 times 4 times 4 pi by 3 radian. Minus 320 degree equal to the same thing. Minus 320 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 2 times 9 times 60 times. Or minus 16 by 9 radian. If without pi involving that's called degree method. This is converted to the radian method meaning you want to use pi only. That's all. Next is find the degree method. That means what? The answer involving without pi is called degree method. For pi involving, remove the pi. Pi value is what? 180. That's all. Pi is 180. Given first question, pi is 180. Divided by 8. 2 times 4 times 45 times 2 times 40 by 2. In therefore 45 divided by 2. Am I right? That means what? How much time? 2 times 4 over. Next is what? 5. How much time? 2 times. What? 4 times. 1 is what? 0. 1. How much time? 5 times. Am I correct? This is why you want to write 22.5 degree. The degree is what? 22 degree. 0.5 degree. Already told you know. 1 degree is what? Degree is equal to 60 minutes. That's why 0.5 degree can match 0.5 degree can match 0.5 into 60 minutes actually. What is the answer? 0.5 into 60. Multiply both. What is the answer? 0.5 into 60. What is the answer? 0, 30. What is the point now? But 30 minutes. That's why 30 minutes can match 30 1 day. That is the answer. This is not a final answer. In this type of question, you will convert degree. Degree method means what? Degree method. Then next is what? Minutes. Then second. In this way you want to write. Below 60 will come in 0.5 degrees coming in 0.5 into 60. That is called minutes. 30 minutes. That is the answer. Therefore, very important. By this way only we get answer. The examples will be no problem. The points something you want to mean. You want to write in terms of the point something also can be written in terms of first degree, next is what minute, next is what seconds. In this way you want to write. Now next pi by 5. Pi is 180 degree. Fifth level, that is the sign. 9 that is 324 degree. Without this one, that is the answer. Now next one is minus 3 degrees equal to minus 3 into 180 by pi. What it is pi? Again put the value of pi. Because we want only pi degree method. We want only degree method. That's why 3 degree can minus 3 into 180 by pi. Then multiply by 3, 540 into 22 by 7. This is what? Minus 540 into 7 divided by 22. 2 times cancel 11 times 2 7 times. Multiply again 1890 by 7. In therefore, the same thing 1890 divided by 11. How much time? 1 times. Am I right? 8 times 80. Am I right? Remember this one? 9 times. Am I right? Again 0. How many times? How many times? 8 times. Am I right? In this way, you want to divide. Actually, here 7 times, 10 times, only 7 times. 77. Am I right? 77. Good. Again 20. Only 1 time. 11, 9. 9 is there. But that is what? That is what? Remain 9. The 9 can be as 9 into 60 minutes. For 60 seconds. Now divide, we get the answer equal to 171 degree into the point something, no? That is what? That is what? 9 something. We get the answer 40 degree. 48 radian. That is the answer. 171 degree. The remainder is converted into beneath. And we get the answer 48 minutes. This is minutes. Degree minutes. That's why with the whatever we remain is there, that is converted into minutes. That is what? Multiply by 60, we get the answer 48 minutes. Next is what? Pi by 11 pi by 180. 11 pi 180 into you want to reduce 180 by pi. Or otherwise direct with the value for pi is 180. What the same one, you know? cancel with 120 without decimal. That is the answer. The remainder is coming in. The remainder also converted into degree method to next minutes. Then seconds. This way one convert. That's why these two problems somewhat extra out there. Let me have same. These are 1 mark 2%. Now listen here. Determine the quadrants. Which quadrant? Which of the following degree lies in the lies it? Lies on 380 degree minus 140 degree 195. First is that 380 given as 360 plus 20. What is the reason? In one complete rotation, now you know 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270, again 360. Am I correct? Multiply 360 becomes 0. That's why you wanted more than 360 meaning 360 plus something, 360 becomes 0. But start from here, start with 0 degree, 360 plus 20 now. From here to 360 in 360 actually, plus something now, something 20 here only will come. Am I correct? This one 20. Am I correct? This is 20. One complete rotation. After one completion of anti-clockwise rotation, this is called what? Anti-clockwise. This is called clockwise. That is 20 lies on first quadrant, therefore 3 lies on the first quadrant. More than 360 means what? This is one completion, one rotation. 0 to second 0. It is called one completion. After that, one 20 is there. 20 is what? From here to here 20 is there. First quadrant. Similarly, minus 140 is there. 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, again 360 here. Okay? In this way. Now this can be minus 140 is minus 90, minus 50. Minus in order. The angle is negative. It means it moves in the clockwise direction. Like this. Here 90 but no. This starts from 0 to this first 90 degree. Again 50 degree no. Here will come. This is the angle here. Therefore, this is the angle no. Which quadrant? The first quadrant, second, third, fourth. This is not from anti-clockwise in first quadrant, second, third, fourth. Here involved in the first quadrant. Here involved in the first, second, third, fourth. That's why this is the fourth quadrant. Sorry, third quadrant. That is the answer. Once again, 1195 equal to now roughly divide 360 degree. This is divided by 360 degree. Divided by 3 times 360 degree plus 115. What is 0 degree? 90, 180, 270, and 360. Am I correct? This is going on. I am start with the first here 0 to here. One rotation. Second rotation. Third rotation. Am I correct? After 115 degree, where is that? Here to here 90 degree. Again 20 degree no here. Here only involved. Am I correct? That's why this is the first, second, third, fourth. This is the second quadrant. After 3 completions of anti-clockwise and 150 degree lies in second quadrant. That's why the whole 1195 also lies on the second quadrant. More than 360 will come in. You will convert below 360. That's important. One completion, 2 completion, 3 completion. That is not a matter. The final is involved in which quadrant? That is the answer. 150 degree is involved in 22nd quadrant. That is the answer. 2 mark, 3 mark question. Very simple concept. You have to guess the angle is lies on the which interval, which quadrant. That is the answer. Well, listen here. This is very, very important answer. Up to 10th standard, you know the value for sin 30, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 90, sin 60, sin 90. Similarly, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. In this way, tan 0, tan 45, tan 30, tan 60, tan 90. Suppose more than 90 will come. Sin of 120 degree, cos of 150 degree, cos of 270 degree, sin of 540 degree. In this way, more than 40 will come in. This is important idea for you. New concept for you. Up to 10th standard, what ready-made table is there. Up to 90, 0 to 30 degree. You know the value. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. This way, you know the value. But more than 90 involving me, what is the method? That's why this is very, very important concept for you. Very simple concept. Listen here. This 0 degree, 90, 180, 270. Again, this is. Am I right? Right. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Am I right? Very important concept. 0 degree, 90 degree, 270 degree involving change. Change means what? Sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Cosecant becomes secant, secant becomes cosecant. It's only 6 ways, you know. Sine cos, cos. Tan cot, cot tan. Cosecant, secant, secant, cosecant. It's a change. Now, sorry, the 90 to 270 change. Then 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree means unchanged. Unchanged means what the name? Cos becomes cos, sine becomes sine, tan becomes tan. This is very important concept. Next concept, A, S, T, is another one. A, S, T, C. What is the name A, S, T, C? Usually, all silver tea cups, symbol notation. A represent all trigonometric ratios are positive. That is what? 0 to 90 in the first quadrant, all positive. In second quadrant, is what? Sine only positive. Third quadrant, tan only positive. Fourth quadrant, cos only positive. That means what? The remaining quadrant will be negative in count. In this way, very, very important concept. The more than 90 degree given mean, you want write in terms of 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. This way you want to write. Suppose 120 is asking. What is the method? 120 can be as 90 plus 30. Or otherwise 180 minus 60. This way you want to write. Then only the change and unchanged idea. By using change and unchanged idea. Suppose 110 degree can be as 120 degree can be as 110 plus 10. 100% is no use. That's why you want to write 90 plus 30. Or otherwise 180 minus 30, 60. 180 minus 60. In this way you want it because the angle involving 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, 360. In this way you want it. That only by using change and unchanged idea. Now A, S, T, C represent simple notation. All students take secant 65. Am I correct? All students take coffee. One student told actually last year. All schools are torturing children. Anyway, you must know A, S, T, C. All silver tea cup. All represent in first quadrant, all are positive. S represent in second quadrant, sine only positive. Sine and residual of sine is what? Cosine also positive. Then for third quadrant, tan only positive. That is what? Tan and residual of tan is what? Cot also positive. C. That is what? Cos and cos, residual of cos is what? Secant, that also positive. For example, sine 120. What I told you? Sine 180 minus 60 or sine 90 plus 30. In this way you want to write. Am I correct? But this is the standard idea. This idea was easy for you. You must know this idea only. You can answer quickly, easily. One method is there. One table is there. For calculation table. So many answers are there. By using this idea only you can answer. That's why this idea was easy for you. Now 120 can minus 180 minus 60 or 90 plus 30. Don't write 120 and 110 plus 10. 140 minus 20. Need not the idea. Because what reason? In the quadrant 0, first one is what? 0 to 90. 90 to 180 second quadrant. 180 to 270 third quadrant. 270 to 360 fourth quadrant. In this way, that's why you want right in terms of 0 to 90, 180, 270, 360. I want right 180 minus 60. What is the first angle? 180. 180 means what? Unchanged. Unchanged means what? Sine becomes sine. Cos means cos becomes cos. Tan means tan with tan. For sine. What is the last angle? 60. Am I right? Depends upon the first angle, whether it's change or unchanged. Here sine is there, 180 is there, 180 unchanged. That's the sine 60. So 180 minus 60, which quadrant? This is 180. This is the only. Look at that. Minus means reverse. The second quadrant. In second quadrant, yes, sign only positive. Sign is the question. That's it. That's it. The value positive is what? So we make this answer. Suppose you want that sign 90 plus 30. Suppose, for example, 180 calculus sign 90 plus 30. What I told you? Here 90 is there. 90 means what? Change. The sign becomes cos 30. The 90 plus 30 is what? 90 here. Plus 30 means plus something, no? The second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign only positive. What is the positive? Sign. That's a positive. Mean and versus cos. What is the positive? Sign. That's a sign is positive. Cos 30 is what? 22. In this way, you want to find the value of sin 20. In this way, sin 150, cos 240, sin 240, sin 270, 330, 360, 540, 1120, more than 1000 also possible to find in this way. This is one concept. By using this area, we get so many answers. This is the idea for very important concept. This is the idea. This you to find the value of sin of 150, sin of 180, sin of 240, sin of 540, sin of 1150, sin of 2050. In this way going connection. More than 90 involved in this idea. Suppose 5 sin 440 is asking. Suppose this question. 480 means more than 360. No, that's right. This can be 1 into 360. Sin of 1 into 360 plus is what? 120. 1 into 360 is what? Come to the 1 rotation. From here to here, 1 rotation. 360 becomes 0. So 360 becomes 0 means only 120 will come. 120 means this idea. More than 360 will come in. Divided by 360. What is remainder? 120. You will find out sin 120 only. That's all. What is the sign? Sin of the multiple of 360 becomes 0. For example, sin 750 is asking. What I told you? 750 can be divided by 320. How many times? 2 times. So, am I done? Divided by 360 2 times. 720. What is remaining? 30. So, sin of the 750 can be 2 into 360. Am I done? Plus 30. The multiple of 360 becomes 0. Only the sin 30. Sin is what? 1 will be the answer. In this way, you find answer. Actually, below 90 means that put the value. More than 90 means this is the idea. More than 360 means divided by 360 after multiple of 360 becomes 0. What is remaining 20? That is the answer. For example, this can be as suppose sin 820 is asked suppose. Or 850 is asked suppose. Am I right? Sin 2 into 360 720. Am I right? 720 plus what is the answer? 130. Am I right? But 2 into 360 becomes 0. So sin 130 is the answer. So sin 130 not possible to find the answer. Because 90 plus 40 or otherwise 180 minus 50. No value for 30. 40 divided by 50. That is the answer. For example, this problem, same problem. Suppose here 780 is there. What is the answer? Remaining quantity 150. Am I right? 150. Now we want to write sin of the 180, 150 can be 180 minus 30. Sin 180 is there. 180 I am saying. Sin becomes sin 30. 180 minus which quadrant? This is 180 minus the second quadrant. Second means sin will be positive, plus will come. Sin is what? 1 by 2. This is the answer. Really more than 90 or more than 360 also by using this idea only. This is a fundamental idea. By using this idea, we have so many problems. Not only 11th standard, in higher class also, by using this concept, so many problems will come. Let the problem is coming. You want to put the value of sin 150. In this way, you find the value of sin 150. So sin 30 means that you put the value because already we know the value. But more than 90 or more than 360 means this is the idea. What is the idea? The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, A, S, T, C, change and change. That's a small idea. That's all. Okay? By using this idea, next problem. Now find the values of each of the following given ratios. Sin of 300, cos of 210, secant of 390, tan of 855, cosine of 125. These are all values of more than 90. Therefore, first cause diagram. This is easy for you. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270. Here A, S, B, C. The first quadrant, second, third, fourth in this way. Now I am start with the first one. What I told you? 300 degree can sine of. What is the method? You want to introduce 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, 360. Am I correct? That's why I want to use 360 minus 60. Now what I told you? First value is what? 360. For sine becomes sine 30. Am I correct? 360 minus this 360. Am I correct? 0 and 360 will be equal. 360 plus something in anti-clock direction. 360 minus means what? Clock direction. That means what? Fourth quadrant. This quadrant. 360 minus something, no? This quadrant. In this quadrant, cause C only positive. Sine is minus. What is the answer? This is the answer. In this way, you find. First idea, you want to write the answer in terms of 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, 360. Afterwards, from the first angle, whether change or unchanged. 0 degree, 180, 360, unchanged. Sine becomes sine, cos becomes cos, tan becomes tan, this is going on. Suppose 90 degree, 270, odd number 1 will be changed. Sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Cosecant becomes secant, secant becomes cosecant. This will change. After this which quadrant? 360 minus this quadrant, fourth quadrant. Write the first quadrant, second quadrant, fourth quadrant, fourth quadrant. That's why fourth quadrant is C. C means cos only positive. But the question is not sine. That's why minus. Sine is equal to. Next is cos of minus 2. Listen, the only part of the reasons there. Listen here. If cos of some this is called cos is even function. Listen here. Cos theta and secant theta are even function. Even function. That means what? Cos of minus theta equal to only cos theta. Secant of minus theta equal to secant theta. Am I getting this note? What area? The remaining are all sine, tan, cosecant, cot. These are all odd function. Odd function means what is the meaning? Odd function means sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Cosecant of minus theta equal to minus cosecant theta. Cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Next one is what? Tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Minding cosecant and secant only even function. Cos of negative angle or secant of negative angle means negative will not come. The remaining four functions are odd function, but negative will come. We got one more concept there. Cos and secant will even function. This is the formula. Otherwise, write a note. Right. This is a note. By using this problem, important formula. And the remains what? Sine, tan, cosecant, and cot are odd function. Odd function. What's the formula? Sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Next is tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Next is cosecant of minus theta equal to minus cosecant theta. The minus extra will come. Last one is what? Cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Next one. This is the representation. Represent. Now play second problem. Second problem. What is the second problem? Cos of minus 210 degree equal to cos of 210. Since cos theta is an even function, that's why negative will not come. Then I give this area. cos of 180 plus 30. Cos 180 unchanged. Cos becomes cos 30. Now reverse diagram. 180 is the 180 plus something means third quadrant. In third quadrant, T only positive. Cosine is cos plus a minus. Minus cos 10 is what? Root 3 by 2. Am I correct? This answer. Am I correct? And also, next question, third one, secant of 360 cabinet, secant of 1 and 360. Am I correct? 1 and 360 plus 30. The multiple of 360 becomes 0, only secant 60, 30. Am I correct? The secant 30 is what? Reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. 2 by 2 is answer. Am I correct? Fourth one. Next is what? Tan of minus 855. This can minus tan of 855. What is the reason? Since tan theta is an odd function. This is the formula. Okay? Now you want to write minus tan. This can be as 2 into 360. Am I right? 2 into 360. 720 remains what? 135. Am I correct? But this can be tan of multiply this is 0, only 135 minus of 135 180 minus 45 minus tan 180 means unchanged tan 45. Now tan 180 minus 45, the 180 minus 45 means second quadrant. This is the only line, second line. Plus something means move this side. Minus something means move this side. That is second quadrant. Second quadrant sign only positive. That's why plus will come. That is the answer. Already minus is there. That's why plus. Last one is what? Next one. Fifth one. Cosecant 1125. The same thing. Cosecant of 3 into 360. Form times 3 into 360. Divide by 360. Form it 3 times. 3 times means 1080. Remains what? 45 degree. Am I correct? Remains 45 degree. But 3 into 360 becomes 0. Am I correct? Am I correct? 3 into 360. That is 1080 remains 45 degree. This is 0. So cosecant of 45 degree. Cosecant 45 is what? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Reciprocal is what? Root 2 by 1. That is the answer. Anyway, above 90 or above 360. Above 90 means, when you say above 360 means, once again, multiple of 360 becomes 0 by using that idea. And above 360 can be below 360. Suppose it will come below 90 means that put the value. Again, 90 to 360 means, once again by using change and unchanged idea. This is important concept. You must know all the concept. Now listen here. The next one, you must prove that tan of minus 225, cot of minus 405, minus tan of minus 765 into cot of 675 equal 0. You want to prove this proof. Anyway, this type of problem, the previous idea only. More than this is economy. More than 90 economy, what is the idea? ASPC idea. And also by using 10 standard, 9 standard idea. You must take this table also important. By using this table only, we can answer. Now what is the method to commit the table? Very simple concept. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You put the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the numbers are divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. 1 time, 1 by 2 times. Okay? Now take square root, square root, square root. Simplify 0 by 4 is what? 0. Root of 0 is 0. Root of 1 by 4 is what? Root of 1 is 1. Root of 4 is 2. Yeah, one time now 1 by 2. Root of 1 is 1 divided by root of 2 root only. Am I right? Root of 3 by 3 by root of 4 is what? 2. After coming only is no. Root of 1 is 1. In this way, you will write the answer sign 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. change. Reverse first. That means what? 0 here will come. Next root 3 by 2 will come. Here 1 by root 2 will come. Here 1 by 2, 0. Tan means sin by cos, no? 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. 1 by root 3. Okay? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Both we cancel 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 cancel by root 3. 1 by 0. Any number by 0 is infinity. To complete this term, this is easy method for you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4. Take its square root. Simplify. That is called sine value. Inverse or reverse process is called cos. Divide both, that is tan. In this way, to complete the table. This also important for you. Now, write this table also. This is a method to complete table. Now, this also, this type of problem, you must find the value of 1 by 1. After that, substitute the value. The first is what? Tan of minus 225. Already told you, tan of, and you know, this is a hard percent, negative will come. Tan of 225. Am I right? Minus tan of 225 minus 180 plus 45. Am I right? Equal to minus tan 1 is what? The table mark? What is the table? A, S, P, C, 0 degree, 90, 180. 270, this way what rate? Graph 190 plus 45. 190 means unchanged, tan become tan 45. Am I right? 190 plus is what? Here. 190 is here only, third quadrant. In third tan only positive. But negative only is there, no problem. This is minus 1 is the answer. In this way, find the answer of tan minus 225. Now, cot of minus 405. Here also minus. Already you know cos and secant only positive, not even percent. Negative will not come. Remaining all negative extra will come. Negative of cot 405. This comes as minus cot of 360 plus 45. Already told you 360 becomes 0. Only 45 minus 45. Cot 45 is what? 1 minus 1. This one. Again tan of minus 675 equal to tan is what? Odd function, that's a minus income. Minus of tan 675. This can be as minus tan of 2 into 360. Am I right? 720 plus 45. Again, minus of tan 360 to 0, only 45. Tan 45. Equal what? 45 is 1 minus 1. The last one is what? Cot 675. This is also known as cot of 2 into 360 is what? 720 minus 45. Okay? This is 0. Okay? Minus 45 will become. Again, minus half cot 45. Because this is odd percent, I will become 45. Now only write the LHS. What is the LHS say? Tan of minus 225. Into cot of minus 405 minus tan of minus 765 into cot of 675 equal to this can as minus 1 into this also minus 1 minus this also minus 1 this also minus 1. Okay? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 that is 0. That is our answer. In this way you will find 1 by 1. After that, substitute the value, you get answer. About more than 360 or more than 90 will come in. You will consider, you want to write the angle in terms of 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, 360. Then only this becomes change or unchanged. By using that idea, change or unchanged. Then which quadrant lies? Depends upon the quadrant, you will put the 90 side or positive side. So small idea, this important idea. Next question, subject to prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 minus cos square pi by 3 equal to 3 pi. Anyway, a 7 pi by 6 is more than 90. That's why we use this idea. Now first one is what? First one is alone. Sin square pi by 6. Sin square pi is 180 by 6. Sin square 30 degree Tangent is what? 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4. First answer. Next is cosecant square 7 pi by 6. You know. You consider cosecant pi by 6 after square. That is easy for you. Otherwise, first consider 9 pi by 6 sin pi by 6. Only sin pi is what? 1 by 2 after square. Am I right? Cosecant 7 by 6 equal to cosecant of 7 into 180 by 6. How much time? 30 times. Equal to what? Cosecant of 210 degree. This can be written as cosecant 180 plus 30. Already cosecant means the 180 unchanged. Cosecant becomes cosecant. 180 plus is what? This 180 plus means this quadrant. This only tan and the not only positive. So minus will come. That is what? Minus. Cosecant 30 means reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Cosecant is what? 2 by 1. Am I correct? That is minus 2. Next is what? Cos pi by 3. Cos 180 by 3. Equal what? Cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 only. Am I right? Now write the question LHS. Start with LHS. What is LHS? LHS equal to 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 minus cos square pi by 3. Now 2 into sin pi by 6 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Am I right? Already find out sin pi by 6 1 by 2 plus cosecant 7 pi by 6 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. Yes, pi by 6. Minus cos pi by 60 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 minus 1 by 4. Now 2 by 4 plus 4 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 is changing. Here 2, here minus 1 will come. But here multiply 2. Am I right? 8. Am I right? 2 by 4, 4, 1 by 4. Here LCM is 4, 10 minus 9 by 4 is coming. What your answer is what? Answer is what? 3 by 2 is what? First one is plus I bar. Actually, question not is minus. Only including it is including minus. After finding the value, it is inter. It is into the. That means what? 4 for cancel. Okay? Only 4 is equal. Alright. Alright, you can do 1 by 2. Okay? Plus 1 by 2. 2 is equal 1 plus 2. I wrote down question down. Inter means the same level. You will find 1 by 1 after the int means multiplication. Int means multiplication. Then cancel. Symmetric cancel 3 by 2. That's all. Can you write the question clearly? Listen here. Third solution is equal to minus 1. Now start with this one. Secant of 3 pi by 2 minus 19. In rougher, 3 into 180 pi is 180 by 2, no? Answer 270 equal to secant of 270 minus theta. 270 means the secant becomes cosecant. Cosecant theta after 270 minus what? Third quadrant. First Second is third 279 minus something is what? Reverse actually minus. Here third quadrant tan only cosecant minus. Now simplification for this is minus cosecant theta. Similarly secant theta minus pi by this can interchange secant of minus of pi by 2 minus theta. Am I right? Now I already told you the cosecant and the cos are even functions. The negative will not come. That's why pi 180 no 180 by 2 180 by 2 is what? 90 90 part by 450 minus theta. Right? This can be known as 360 plus 90 minus theta. Right? 360 becomes 0. So secant of 90 minus theta. Secant 90 change. The secant becomes cosecant theta. 90 minus what? First quadrant all positive, only positive, only not positive. The first one is minus cosecant, next one is only cosecant theta. Next tan of, am I right? 180, 90, 450. The same thing only, tan of 450 plus theta. This can be as tan of 360 plus 90 plus theta. Multiply this is 0. Only tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 becomes change. Tan becomes cot theta. 90 plus 90 plus means second quadrant. In second one sign only positive. That is minus y minus. Am I right? The next one is tan of theta minus pi by 2. Already told you this is tan of minus of the first we get the angle, that's the quadrant, minus it. But tan of minus is what? Minus tan of something, because this is called odd function. Am I right? Now this can be nice. 450 minus theta minus 450 can 360 plus 90 minus theta. 360 becomes 0. But tan of 90 minus theta minus tan 90. That is what? 90 is tan of cot theta. 90 minus what? First quadrant all are positive. That's why the negative will change. Now only write the first thing. LHS equal to secant of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Secant of theta minus pi by 2 plus tan of this one into tan of minus pi by 2. The value for this one is minus cosecant theta. Here cosecant theta plus this minus cot theta. Again minus cot theta. Am I right? Multiply minus cosecant square theta plus cot square theta. Minus is common. Cosecant square minus cot theta. This is a trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square is what? Cosecant square. 1 plus c. Trigonometric identity. This is a standard formula. Am I right? Cot square cosecant square minus minus only equal to cosecant square minus cot square. Am I right? Cosecant square minus cot square is 1. That is our answer. We must follow all the formula clearly. The change and change is very important. In this sector, so many problems are involving. Is clear? This is the sixth question. If A, B, C, D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos C will this is called cyclic quadrilateral. One result is that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles are supplementary. What is the opposite angle? A and C are opposite. Upon A plus B equal to 180 degree. Therefore, A equal to what? Or B equal to what? B equal to 180 minus 80. And other than what? B b plus d equal to 180. But d equal to what? 180 minus b. Am I right? From this you find the d value. From this one you find the d. Now start with the LHS. What is LHS? Cos A, cos B, cos C, cos D. Now cos A is no change. Is of cos. B is what? Already find out. 180 minus 80. Cos C no change. Plus cos B is what? 180 minus B. Am I right? 180 minus. Sorry. A plus C. Am I right? A plus C no. But C equal to 180 minus C. But C only change. The A, C and B will change. A plus C, B plus D. A only. C is what? C only change no. Here also cos C, cos B. A plus C equal to 180. You will find A equal to 180 minus C or C equal to 180 minus both the same. If B plus C 180. But D equal to 180 minus B or otherwise B equal to 180 minus B. Whatever will be no problem. 180 cos A, then cos B is what? Or otherwise you can consider A and B alone. Very easy for you. From this, sum of the arms of the second part is supplementary. A plus C equal to 180. A equal to 180 minus C. B plus C equal to 180. B equal to 180 minus B. This one is easy for you. Am I right? So this is a question. Instead of A is what? 180 minus C. Instead of B is what? 180 minus D. These two more change at all. Cos C and cos C. Now, already know 180 means cos 180 unchanged. Cos C becomes cos 180 minus which one? 90. 180 no. A S T C. Am I right? 180 minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign only positive. That's why minus will come. Again, here cos 180 unchanged. Cos D will come. But 180 minus again second quadrant negative will come. Therefore, the same thing. This will be cancelled now. Cancel. You can cancel 0. That is ours. That's all. Simply when you small concept. So in the second quadrant, sum of the opposites are supplementary. A plus C 180 from this A. B plus C 180 from this. You will find out B. After the right LHS, in some A substitute here, B substitute here. After that, please concept 180 minus something mean 180 unchanged. Cos becomes cos C. 180 something mean the second quadrant which are sign only positive. But here cos is the minus. In this case also minus. Cancel 0.